Hey mate, how we going? We're at Nikkalatte.
We certainly are. Envious Burger Night.
Envious Burger Night. This is just a burger night down at Nikkalatte Cafe. This is what everyone does on their Saturdays, mate. Get out in the car. Great day, hot day, sunny day. Cars are still rolling in. There's a bit of a theme going on too, mate. What's happening?
We got the top 10 JDM cars tonight that was picked out. So yeah,
you got a bit of
in there, of course.
Yeah, you got a special little park in there, mate. How's that?
Yeah, it's doing all right.
Well done. So we've got a few cars over there. We're gonna just get a few shots of these, see what's happening.
Yep. Check it out.
What'd you do? A bit of a cruise down?
Yep, we certainly did. Cruise all together. So
yeah, good stuff. This is how to spend your Saturdays. Let's go and have a look what's here.
Let's do it.
Travis, I'm checking out the VX, mate. We've seen this a few times. There's a great video of this already up. I know you did a few shots around the place here on the coast with Scotty.
Yep, Scotty from LCM Media.
Yeah,
done a good job up at Jacob's Well.
Mate, it looks pretty good rolling down the road.
Yeah, it's good fun. Stands out with the Spitfire Green. It's quite bright colour, but it's the first time I've seen it. I love the colour and had to have it. It was all black.
It wasn't this colour though, was it?
No, it was actually bought off a customer a few years ago. It was just black, had been smashed in the rear quarter, paint was all faded, and a mate down in Sydney sprayed it for me and just got a little bit carried away.
Yeah.
It is what it is now, yeah.
So now, how much work's gone into the rear end?
It's a full chassis clip, Pro 9 35 spine, strange rear end, AFCO coilovers, mini tubs, 22x12s, custom mounted fuel cell in the boot, and then it's just progressed.
There's a bit more to go here. What we see in the engine bay is going to change a little bit too, right?
Yeah, so it's just an L98 at the moment. A friend of mine down in Geelong, Tim, has got a new motor getting built for it. It's going to be twin mirror image 80mm turbos. Ben from Envious just built me a 2,000 horsepower reed case Glide. So the plan is to put a chute on the back, run a 7 and drive home. So big things to come.
Elite, Ben from Elite. We're at Envious.
Yeah, correct. Yeah, yeah, no, he's a good guy. Good guy.
Just correct you there.
Sorry, Ben Elite. Yeah, sorry, my bad.
So, mate, a lot of fun in this, obviously.
Yeah, it's good fun. It's still street car, full street rego. Can put the kids in the back and go for a drive and come out on a place like this and enjoy it. So.
And that was the plan too, right? You said you didn't want to lose the back seat.
100% wanted to keep it in there, and still I've got 3 young kids that love coming with me. Wife not so much, but it's it's good to put the kids in and go for a drive.
Now I believe your plan is to make this the quickest street-driven VX out there? Or?
That's the plan. So Tim's got the record currently at 7.74. So
that's hard to chase.
Yeah, well he's 3,500 pound full stripped out. I'm trying to, if I can get down to about 3,700, With the power I want to make, I should hopefully get about a 7.5 or a bit quicker. And then, yeah, that should be the record, I think.
Wow, that's a hell of an effort. If a little bit, going to be a bit of work to get
Yeah,
there.
I've learned how to drive the thing first. It's going to be some serious power from what it's got now, that's for sure.
Now, you're in the trade as well, so your passion's sort of from working on cars as well?
Correct, yes. I've been a mechanic for 20 years. Just moved up from Sydney and own a mechanical workshop down in Burleigh, A1 Service Centre, hence the plates. And yeah, this is basically the work car, show it off, and yeah, people love it, so it's good. It's actually got me a bit of business as well. People from here, a few guys have come down, and that's been really good.
Oh, well, they can find you. We'll drop a link down below if anyone wants to find you. And
appreciate that.
Yeah, put it in the description. And mate, what got you into that though as a young fella, I guess? What was it that got you into cars to start with?
I don't know, to be honest. My dad's not a car guy, neither is mum, but just always loved cars, I guess. Little boy growing up playing on Matchbox cars, and yeah, just Lambo's still my passion. One day I'll get the Lambo, but at the moment I'm stuck with a VX. And, this thing's probably almost cost as much as a Lambo at the moment, but we'll get there one day.
And I guess you enjoy just getting the kids out and stuff as well.
Yeah, well, my youngest is in the car now, loves it. The other two like it, but he just absolutely loves it. He's always, Dad, can I go in the green car? So it's his birthday next weekend, and wife's out shopping with the eldest too, so he's with me now, enjoying this.
Get out to the burger night.
Yeah, 100%, yeah. No, it's been good.
Good stuff, mate. Well, thanks for coming and telling us a little bit about it. And we want to watch where this ends up, because this is going to be pretty hectic. Pretty cool to see.
Should be good fun.
Excellent.
So.
Thanks, Travis.
No, appreciate it. Thanks, guys.
Nowadays, nothing really excites me. Only one of me and nobody's like me. Phone ringing and I tell him it's ice. I got wifey on bling and she freeze. Photo, please, no photos. G's, no, please, no photos. Hit the door and the doorman just whole team here might need some. Still young, but I move like a new deal to my lawyer. If it down in my management, I'm just warming up a wait till I old producers saw the numbers one. Different colors in my baggy light. Chalk it up, talk of the town where you're talking up. Wanna get you a ring and you tough enough. Wanna get you new things with your pockets dull. Run it up. I used to be quiet and out of luck. Now I move up and move humble cause the hate and the jealousy. My mama telling me count up your blessings and run it up. Nowadays nothing really excites me. Only one of me and nobody's like me. Phone ringing and I tell him it's ice. I got wifey on bling and she freeze. Photo, please, no photos. G's, no, please, no photos. I keep giving game away. I put game on layaway. I got paid to play today. I get paid to stay away. I get paid on rainy days. I might make it rain today. I got paid off pain today. Thought it'd take the pain away. In my own lane, finger roll. I would never sell my only soul. Heard your whole team was for sale. Heard it's on the market for the low. Who the realest, we might never know. All this acting, you gon' play a role. Give you the world when they sign you up. Try you out and then they line you up. Ooh, now you're looking hungry, ribs are touching, need some food. Now you're all on live acting surprised, but you was fooled. Boy, get out the way, it's been a day, now you're old news. Now you got the pen and pad, you're trying to take my moves. Nowadays, nothing really excites me. Only one of me and nobody's like me. Phone ringing and I tell him it's ice. I got wifey on bling and she freeze. Photo, please, no photos. G's, no, please, no photos. Nowadays, nothing really excites me. Only one of me and nobody's like me. Phone ringing and I tell him it's ice. I got wifey on bling and she freeze. Photo, please, no photos. G's, no, please, no photos.
Well, mate, looks like you're going. I think the Skyline's already running. It looks like Paige is in the driver's seat.
Not for long.
We're going to fight over that?
Yeah.
I thought it was the girls' night to drive home.
No, why not?
No.
It's always my night.
It's always your night?
Yeah.
What do you reckon? Did you have a burger?
There's no crossed out Sally HJ here.
No, this is totally true. What about the burgers, mate? Do you have a burger?
Burgers are good. So
Mate, I
cheap,
had chicken burger tonight, and yeah, they are cheap here. You got to come down here and check it out.
Yeah.
Nikkalatte Envious is the car club that has this, and they put it on. They got, lots happening.
Yeah, and, make sure you jump on over to the website as well, overtakinglane.com.au. Pick yourself up a shirt, OTL merch line.
Yeah.
Got the no prep.
Get on it. Get on it.
Grab
We've
those
got to
shirts.
keep
Grab
us
the
going.
race suit.
We'll start bringing some more out if you start buying these ones. We'll see if you like them. We'll bring you more. That's how it works, isn't it?
It does. Make sure you hit down below, hit subscribe, like, do all those things, and leave us a comment. What was your favourite car?
All right, we'll see you in the next one.
Stay in that right lane.